So we need to find the surface area of this triangular prism. And for surface area, we're going to start with finding the area of the triangle bases. And there are two of them. We want to use the lines that are creating the right angle. So that's going to be the 7 and the 12. So for the triangles, I'm going to have 1/2 times 12 inches times 7 inches. 1/2 of 12 is going to be 7. Sorry, 1/2 of 12 is going to be 6. Then times that by 7, and we're going to have 42 inches squared. On a triangular prism, there are two identical triangles, so I'm going to go ahead and double that one up. Now we have to go for the rectangular bases. I'm going to go ahead and I'll start with this one over here on kind of the right side, and that one is a 19 by 11. 11 times 19. 19 times 11. 19 times 11, I'll do that over here. 1 times 19 is 19, placeholder 0. 1 times 19 is 19. I'm going to have 209 inches squared. Then I'm going to go ahead and go to the one on the left side. Oops, I picked the wrong color. There we go. So that's this one over here, which is kind of hard to see. But you can see that that 9 right there is going to be the side, and then that length over here is going to be the same as this length, which is 19. So we have 19 times 9. 19 times 9, I'll do right over here. And that's going to be 81, carry the 8. 9 times 1 is 9, plus the 8 is 17. So I have 171 inches squared. Now this one's kind of a tricky one if you look at it, because there's actually one more face that's just invisible. It would be here at the bottom, but you just can't see it, and they didn't label it. So that last one would be 19 times 12. 19 times 12 is just going to be 19 more than this one, but I can go ahead and multiply that out. 9 times 8 is going to, or 9 times 2 is 18, carry the 1, 2 times 1 is 2, plus the 1 is 3, placeholder 0, 9 times 1, 19 times 1 is 19. Go ahead and add, so we'll have 228 inches squared. The surface area of this entire triangular prism is going to be the 2 triangles plus the 3 rectangle bases. So I've got 2 plus 2 is 4. Plus 9, maybe I'll go backwards. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 8 plus 2, which is another 10, so that's 20. Add the other 2, you have 2, carry the 2. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus that 2 is going to be 10. Plus 7 is 17, plus 2 is 19, carrying a 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 is 4, plus 2 is going to be 6. I have 692 inches squared is the surface area.